Hey, I thought it might be appropriate to continue my vlog from this phenomenal view I have of the capital of Wisconsin, Madison. I moved over to a different hotel. I'm currently at the Hilton Monona, which is just beautiful. And as you can see behind me there, it's the capital of Wisconsin, and I gotta stand somewhat in this goofy light, otherwise it's gonna get all blackened if I try to move out. But wow, what a view. Looking forward to a good evening with a coworker as we plan out some business strategy for the coming months, and going to be up at the crack of dawn for a conference we are delivering tomorrow just across the street. Looking forward to all of that. It's been a good, exciting week. Tiring one, too. Did not get a lot of sleep last night after all the chaos over there. But that's all right. I will get some rest this evening. Feeling good from the workout and just happy to be here. Friends, hope you're doing good and appreciate you tuning in. Thank you very much. Talk with you soon.